This is Unit 6, review number 6.10. This is question number 18 and 20. All right, so number 18 says use fundamental theorem of calculus for derivatives to find g prime of x. So this one we have that shortcut where all you really have to do is take the derivative of the top, plug it, and then plug it in, minus the derivative of the bottom, and then take that and plug it in. So the derivative of the top here, the 3x plus 6 is going to be 3. I'm going to write this answer over here so that we have more room. So it's going to be 3. Again, derivative of 3x plus 6. Now take that and plug it in. This is going to be times by tangent of 3x plus 6 plus 2 times by 3x plus 6 to the third. So you took the derivative of the top, 3x plus 6, then we took the 3x plus 6 and we plugged it in. Minus now derivative of the bottom. Derivative of cosine here is going to be a negative sign. So that's actually going to become a positive sine of x squared and then times by 2x, the derivative of the inside when you use your chain rule. Now you take the cosine of x squared, plug it in. So this is tangent of cosine of x squared. And then plus 2 times by cosine to the third of x squared. All right, and that finishes out number 18 there. All right, so moving on now to number 20. Number 20 is the one where you have to find the mean or the average value, okay, and then where it occurs. All right, so we give you the equation f of x is equal to your sine of x plus cosine of x. You have to integrate that from 0 to 3 pi over 4. So I'm going to integrate from 0 to 3 pi over 4. Sine of x plus cosine of x. So what's nice about this one is that sine of x and cosine of x are attached by addition, so you can just integrate them individually. So when you do so, this is going to be a negative cosine of x plus sine of x, and this is going to go from 0 to 3 pi over 4. And remember, when you do this, you're going to have this set equal to the, what's really the area. So we're calling this the f of c, and then times by the difference of the bounds. That's 3 pi over 4 minus 0. So really this is just f of c times by 3 pi over 4. And again, this is the area. This is the height times by the width for each one of those rectangles that we made. So on the left side, you're going to plug this in. So you're going to do f of 3 pi over 4 minus f of 0. And that's going to come out to be 2.414. And this you're just going to keep bringing down the right side f of c times by the 3 pi over 4. So now that the left side is complete, we're going to solve for this f of c by dividing the 2.414 by 3 pi over 4. Just be careful when you do that and make sure you use the appropriate parentheses. You should end up with 1.025 is equal to the f of c. So we're almost done. All right, so we need to find out where that occurs. It says find the value, the mean value. That's what this f of c is. We've done that. And now where does it occur? So you take that 1.025 and you set it equal to the sine of x plus cosine of x. So I'll do that up above here. So 1.025 is equal to sine of x plus cosine of x. And really you have to do this on your calculator. Plug sine of x plus cosine of x into y1, 1.025 into y2, and then solve. And when you do that, there's actually two places that it intersects 1.025 between 0 and 3 pi over 4. And that's at x equals 0.025 and 1.545. So when I write this out for where it occurs, I would like the actual points. This is 0.025, comma 1.025, and 1.545. Comma 1.025.